Hello everyone. Today I'll be going to explain the national strategy on robotics. This is the draft created by Indian government. So let us see what is there in this draft. Are we going to do the recording part wise? So this will be the part 1 related to robotics. In this, I'll be going to explain about the overview of the robotics, because you should aware of the detailed information about the robotics. Okay, so let us see. This is the executive summary. Globally, governments and the industrial alike are harnessing transformative technologies to respond to opportunities and exogenous shocks. Artificial intelligence is one such a critical technology, pivotal in solving national challenges and building economic resilience. Over the past several years, India has taken concrete steps to encourage the adaptation of AI in a responsible manner and build public trust in the use of this technology, placing the idea of AI for all at its very core. India's approach to AI is holistic and ambitious, as evidenced by the breadth and the scope of government interventions focused on democratizing the benefits of this technology. The government of India AI is an umbrella program that harmonizes existing AI initiatives from building language models, digital Indian Bhashini for increasing digital accessibility for citizens to scaling programs UI, UAI, demystifying AI for school students to achieve the common goal to make AI in India and making AI for India. AI AI expected to have a significant impact in the realm of cyber physical system, that is CPS, which is the common appellation for systems that combine physical and cyber components to perform complex tasks. The interaction of the virtual world with components of physical systems over distributed networks has presented the generational opportunity to power social and economic outcomes for our future. Robotics is a key CPS technology that relies on AI algorithms to process and interpret sensory data, make decisions, and execute action in the physical world. India has also made significant strides in the field of robotics, with a focus on developing and harnessing the potential of cutting edge technologies to promote innovation that leads to sustainable and inclusive development across the economy. This was evidenced by robotics installation in India surging by 54% to 4,945 units in 2021, ranking India 10th for the highest annual installation of industrial robots in the world. However, the effects of the coronavirus pandemic and geopolitical instabilities continue to persist in compromising global supply chains, prolonging the scarcity of critical components and further exacerbating the need for India to achieve self-reliance in robotics. So let us see what is given as economies around the world diversify and recalibrate their supply chains. India has the generational opportunity to strengthen its robotics ecosystem and realign its global positioning. There is an immediate need to undertake comprehensive efforts to develop indigenous capabilities and leverage the potential opportunities from the robotics evolution. The national strategy for robotics aims to position India as a global leader in robotics to actualize its transformative potential. It also builds upon Make in India 2.0, which has identified robotics as one of the 27 subsectors to further enhance India's integration in the global value chain. A holistic and coordinated mechanism is envisioned to strengthen India's industrial capabilities. The need for domestic value addition, augmenting employability, and helping India emerge as a robotics hub for the world. The strategy also aimed to fully maximize the benefits of an AI integrated society by leveraging the momentum of the Government of India's AI initiatives to drive advancements in robotic technology in India. While robotics is a multidisciplinary technology that has the potential to transform and disrupt a wide range of sectors and industries. Its adaptation to date has been primarily driven by economic motivations. However, given the potential of robotics to catalyze large scale social transformation, there is a need for national strategies, policies, and programs to converge efforts towards a few priority sectors that are poised to create large scale socio-economic impact. This strategy identifies four such sectors to prioritize robotics automation in India, namely manufacturing, agricultural, healthcare, and national security. The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, MEITY, serving as the nodal agency for robotics, has proposed a two-tier institutional framework to facilitate the implementation of the national strategy on robotics, which will be undertaken as the National Robotics Mission to reap the benefits of deploying robotics at scale. Multiple interventions have been recommended across the key pillars of a robotics innovation cycle, which include research and development, demonstration and testing, commercialization and supply chain development, and adaptation and awareness. Research in robotics in India is still in nascent stage and require large-scale concerted, concerted and collaborative interventions. The national strategy on robotics aims to enhance the research and the development capabilities of the robotics ecosystem in India by improving the availability of funding, converging efforts with COEs and AI and cyber physical systems, establishing platform for global partnership, attracting and retaining skills professionals, and funding moonshot projects for path-breaking research innovation to build public trust in the technology and ensure its responsibility and safe adaptation. Demonstration and testing have been prioritized. For this objective, the development of the infrastructure and demonstration facilities for the testing, validation, and certification of robots has been recommended. Additionally, to localize supply chains and enable the scaling of robotics innovations, fiscal and non-fiscal interventions are proposed. The strategy recommends innovative funding mechanisms for robotics startups to enable commercialization and the development of supporting infrastructure and policy measures to increase domestic value addition and promote exports. Further, to increase the penetration and adoption of robots in India, multiple demand side interventions have also been proposed. Market expansion, levers, providing fiscal and non fiscal support, creation of a regulatory framework, awareness campaigns, as well as access to network infrastructure have been identified. As robotic automation further furthers the benchmarks of technological aptitude require, there is an emergent need for the development of a skilled workforce. The strategy proposes a recommendation to build capabilities across the innovation life cycle with a focus on providing training and education in robotics and related fields. This helped to ensure that India has the talent and expertise needed to compete in the global robotics market. Overall, the national strategy on robotics aims to create a conducive environment for the growth and the development of the robotics sector in India to drive innovation and economic growth while also improving the quality of life for citizens. This strategy will form an integral part of the overall AI vision and see the advancement of India's cyber physical system objectives. We are going to see now the vision, mission, and objectives. Let us see this. What is the vision? The vision of India's national strategy on robotics is deeply rooted in the tenets of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, and Sabka Prayas. Make AI in India and make AI work for India, and Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. As part of the overall India AI vision, the national strategy on robotics aims to maximize the economic and socio-technical benefits of robotics technology while minimizing the risk and associated challenges. Now let us see what is the mission. Make India a global hub for the research, design, development, and manufacturing of robotics and promote large-scale adoption. Ensure the creation of a sustainable and robust ecosystem for robotics innovation and entrepreneurship in India. Ensure global competitiveness of Indian robotics companies and startups. Promote the creation of Indian IPR in the field of robotics. Nurture a skilled robotics workforce. Now, let us see what are the objectives. Positioning India as a global leader in robotics for manufacturing, healthcare, agriculture, and national security sectors by 2030. Augmenting the stability and the competitiveness of the domestic industrial foundation to increase domestic value addition across the supply chain. Fostering and improving the domestic research and innovation ecosystem through targeted investments in alignment with India's robotics priorities. Ensuring a coherent and holistic approach to robotics research and innovations in India, including convergence with emerging cyber physical system and AI technologies, increasing the penetration of robots in India by augmenting the depth and breadth of its applications and creating new markets domestically and internationally, strengthening India's collaboration with global robotics centers academic institutions, experts, and organizations, establishing governance mechanism to position India as the global benchmark for the performance, quality, and reliability of its robots, developing a skilled workforce by providing training and education in robotics and related fields. This is all about the vision, mission, and objectives. So that's it for today for this first part. Thank you. Thanks a lot for watching my channel. In the next video, you will be going to learn more about robotics. So thank you once again. Keep updating yourself if you are eager to learn the things, new things. If you are new to my channel, please like, subscribe it.